Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. Yesterday, the US markets have recovered. The previous 2 days, the US markets were down. Yesterday, around 11:10 p.m. in Indian time, the Fed chairman spoke, and he has clearly mentioned that the deflation has started, which means that inflation will start coming down continuously. But however, he cautioned that the interest rate may continue to rise. But market has taken this as a very big positive that inflation will keep going down. The inflation keeps going down at some point of time, the Fed may stop hiking the rate. So this is considered as a very big positive, and the markets moved significantly higher, and Nasdaq from minus to plus 2%, and Nasdaq has shot up nearly 300 points from intraday low to intraday high. So global cues anyway have been good for the last many days, and today also no exception. And Asian markets, as usual, so they're mixed. And I'm flying to Delhi, so therefore I'm just recording this much earlier than the usual time. So as of now, Japan is down, Australia and South Korea are up. Usually Japan is not considered as one of the Asian markets. So that's why even the indices, they introduce Asia Pacific ex Japan. Looking at this, things are going to be positive. But however, yesterday, the FII selling was so huge, more than 2,500 crores. So because of this huge selling by FII, and US markets were slightly weak at the beginning of the trading. So SGX Nifty came down nearly 100 points. And then, of course, when the US markets recovered, so SGX Nifty also recovered. So yesterday night, SGX Nifty closed almost flat. So it'll be interesting to see how SGX Nifty is going to react when the Singapore market opens around 6:30 a.m. Indian time. So this video I'm recording even before 6:30 a.m. So today it's going to be all about RBI policy, and focus will be more on Bank Nifty. And for the last 2 days, IT stocks have been doing badly, particularly Infosys. And because the Nasdaq is significantly higher, the sentiment in IT stocks may improve. In fact, yesterday in US ADR also, I think Infosys was higher. So IT stocks may do well, and banking stocks will be in focus ahead of the RBI policy. And RBI is expected to hike the rate by 25 basis points. So we will see if there is any unpleasant surprise in RBI. And if everything goes well, so banking stock should recover. And in fact, yesterday, though market was down significantly, the banking stocks were higher. So in addition to IT stocks and banking stocks, so the only laggard for the recent days is Reliance Industries. I do not know what is wrong with Reliance. From almost 2,700 level, now it has come down to 2,300 level. So that's nearly about 15-20% fall in the last 1 month. So the overall, the market sentiment is still bearish, and so if there is any recovery, I'm planning to do one strategy. So I'm planning to sell 18,000 call option. So I find that like 18,000 is going to be a resistance, and then I'm planning to buy 18,000 put option also, and then sell double the quantity, 17,300 put option. So when I do this strategy, I'll be safe from 17,000 to about 18,100. So 17,000 to 18,100 is a range for the next 2 or 3 weeks I'm expecting. But of course, if things go beyond 18,100, so my portfolio will do well because I also have a portfolio. So coming to corporate results, so there are few results, Bharti Airtel result was good, and people expected Hero MotoCorp to declare a bad result, but on the contrary, the result was decent enough, and also they have declared 65 rupees dividend. So Hero MotoCorp, I like that stock because of good dividend yield. So let us see what happens today, and it'll be very difficult to predict the range because of RBI policy. So once RBI policy is over, depending upon how market perceives the RBI policy, the markets may trend. So if today also, if there is no uptrend, then it's going to be very difficult. And usually after the budget, markets do trending, but this time on the day of the budget, Nifty traded approximately from 17,350 to 18,000. I think it looks like as if the whole month is going to be trading on that 1 day's range. So let us see whether the range breaks out or not. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.